Well, hello there. This is Dr. Dell, and I want to tell you about this fantastic new tool that's been developed for students. It's called the SupraComputer. This is my personal supercomputer, and as you can see on the screen when you bring it up, it says Dr. Dell SupraComputer. This could be yours. It could have your name there and also your name on the screen. Now what this is like having a mathematician, an expert mathematician on call to help you solve any STEM math problem you're going to run into in any type of a STEM class, whether it is trigonometry or algebra or calculus or differential equations or linear algebra. And not only that, it is also going to be like having a tutor on call, because it's not only will solve the problem for you, but it will show you a step-by-step solution. And all you have to do is plug it into your keyboard. I'm using a wireless keyboard, and that plugs into this USB port. Hook it up to a Wi-Fi or to Ethernet. Hook it up to your monitor of your choice. I'm using an $80 monitor I bought. It's a very large, very nice monitor. And then I hook it into the power supply. The HDMI cable and the power supply comes with the supercomputer, and it'll just do fantastic things. It's like I said, it's like having a mathematician and a math tutor on call. Now let me quickly show you. This is the Mathematica tool up here, and I've already opened it up, the Mathematica tool. And what you get is you get a notebook, and you can have it do any kind of a problem. So for example, this is a calculus problem, integrate sine of x squared. Now I'm a PhD mathematician, and I cannot do this problem, although the supercomputer mathematician can. The reason I can't do it is that it is so hard to do. It involves a special function called a Fresnel integral, but it does it for you. It shows you the answer there. It graphs it for you. So you see the graph of it in two different ranges. It shows you an infinite series expansion of it, and it even shows you how you can evaluate it at particular endpoints using the fundamental theorem of calculus. Now, in this particular case, it will not show you how to do this because this can't be done by an ordinary mathematician. You never find this in a regular calculus book, but you might find it if you're an engineer and come across it in an engineering program. Now let's look at another example, a much simpler example. This is from algebra. This is simply solve, and I put in this simple quadratic equation equal to 0, and I ask it to solve it. And immediately it gives me the answer. And of course it also graphs the thing for me and gives me other information about it, shows me its roots. But here's what it does now. Not only does it solve the problem, but if you click on step-by-step solution, it's now like a tutor. And it's going to show you exactly how to do this and what it's going to show you here. And of course, we have many lessons that teach you how to use this. It's going to use a certain technique called complete the square, and it's going to take you through it step-by-step. And this is presumably what an algebra teacher would have taught you in an algebra class, or it would be in an algebra book. The problem is, very often when they teach you, they just use letters and things, and you want to see it in a particular example. Then here it is, step by step what to do. It shows you how to do it. So it's like having a tutor on hand. So just imagine now that 24/7, as you're doing your math homework, you can have an expert mathematician do it for you, and also, when possible, show you a step-by-step solution. Okay, now if you'd like to know more about this, you go to the website, supracomputer.org, and click on the benefits button, and this will show you all the benefits. And you scroll down to the bottom, and this will tell you all the benefits you get for a STEM student, the tools that are included with the supercomputer, and it will also tell you that there are about 20 training videos to show you how to use this tool. But it's not easy to use unless you know what to do. And that's exactly what you get when you buy the supercomputer. You get training on how to use the tool. So you have a powerful tool and also training on how to use the tool, and it's just an incredible study aid for any STEM professional or STEM student. And there's also a long video demonstration that will really show you this thing in action. It's like an 18-minute video demonstration, so you can really appreciate what it'll do. And finally, when you buy your supercomputer, you're going to be joining the SupraComputer Club, so you can share lots of information and have lots of fun with many, many other members of the club. It's really a phenomenal tool, and I hope that you'll be able to get yourself one as a great study aid, and I will then see you on a lot of our training videos. Dr. Dell, wishing you the best in your future career.